Okay, the last step is easy. All you have to do is permute the edges. So to do this, you need to learn just two algorithms. There's a clockwise one and an anti-clockwise one. So if you have one edge that's already solved, you put it on the back, and you look at the pieces. This orange piece needs to go here, this needs to go here, and this needs to go here. So this needs to go anti-clockwise. So the anti-clockwise algorithm is F2, U inverted, R inverted L, F2, R, L inverted, U inverted, F2. And there, you solve the cube. The other case you'll get is the clockwise, where it needs to go clockwise. So this piece needs to go there, that piece needs to go there, and that piece. So the clockwise algorithm is this: F2, U, R inverted L, F2, R, L inverted, U, F2. So the clockwise and the anti-clockwise algorithms are basically the same, except for the U or U inverted. Alright, there's some special cases that you will get where none of the edges are solved. So what you do is you just do the algorithm anywhere. It doesn't matter. And it doesn't matter which one. You do the clockwise and anti-clockwise, and it should solve one edge. So you put the edge on the back, figure out which way the edges need to go. That needs to go there, that needs to go there, and that needs to go there. So it's the anti-clockwise. It's the clockwise one. So it's F2, U, L, R inverted, F2, R, L inverted, U, F2. And it's solved. Now you can solve the Rubik's Cube. What? If you have any questions, just ask me. But, you know, and if you can solve the Rubik's Cube, tell me, because, you know, it means a lot to me. You know, like saying that I, taught someone how to solve the Rubik's Cube. You know, it's pretty cool.